Hello everyone, Brad here. It's a pretty exciting week. I've just received my Lucas model 723 sawmill. I've looked at these for years and I finally decided to pull the trigger. It took about 4 months to get here, but I wanted to do a video of just unboxing of it and let you see what all comes with it. And if you stay to the end, I'll kind of go through the reasons of why I selected that particular model. But I hope you enjoy the video, and be greatly appreciated if you could like and subscribe. Let's get started. Just got the rails off the trailer. Of course, it's been pouring down a rain, but anyway, this is how it comes off out of the tube, looks like. But just now we'll cut these straps and try to take these apart one at a time. Alright, finally got this trailer in here. It was fun getting backed up here into the garage, but I got this thing out of the rain we're having right now, so first time opening it up, so we'll lift up the lid and see what we got. Alright, looks like everything survived the first look so far. So we'll get going and we'll start taking some of this stuff out. Let's see, I got a Lucas koozie. That's several $1000s worth. Okay, I think this must be my tool kit. Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's my sharpener and some wrenches. Blade guard with the tank. There's some extra saw chains I ordered. I ordered a slabber, but it hasn't gotten here yet, so that's shipping separately. All right. I think these are my end extensions. One wheel, second wheel, here's our pack of blades. We'll see how many blades we get here. So it looks like you get 4 blades that come with it. Let's take a quick look at one, see what it looks like. Alright, so there's one blade, 5 teeth. Alright, so I just got the box cut open to get things out of here easier. Here's my battery. I got the small feet for the front side. There's some braces here. These are the diagonal braces. Okay, I got the winches out. I had to end up lifting up the front of the carriage after I put the front wheels on, and I just set it on top of the little shipping post in there, and that way I was able to lift it up enough to slide the winches out through the front. So now I'll set this down and we'll try to get the back wheels on. And there's a bolt right here. I loosened it up a little bit earlier, but we'll just replace that with the T-handle. Cut these tie straps off. goes in there for the sidewinder handle. Okay. Okay, finally got this thing to move with the Sidewinder. What it was this bolt was in there, but the handle wasn't. So I had to take this bolt out, raise this handle up so that it would work my brake, which is the piece of white PVC here. So the brake was locked with the bolt in place from shipping. So once I got the handle in place, I was able to lift up, and now we can slide down to the other end. I can put the wheels on this end. Okay, they go at an angle. Okay, we'll see if we can roll this off of here. At least off the pallet, for now. All right, got it that far. Now we'll have to probably pull the truck out, and we'll pull the truck out, and that way I can get it over on this edge, and we'll be able to get it out the rest of the way. Okay, here it is off the trailer. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about some of the video quality, especially the ones outside. It was just so dark and rainy. Couldn't get a great video. I had hoped to do this during the daytime outside, but it just didn't work out that way for me. But hopefully you got to see everything that you wanted to. But as I mentioned, I wanted to kind of talk about why I did select the Model 723. Of course, price was number one. You know, the Model 8 is a good jump from the Model 7, and the Model 10 is a huge jump. So that's why I selected, one of the reasons I selected Model 723. Another reason was that the Model 8 is an 8.5 inch cut, and the Model 7 is a 7 7/8 inch cut. So you only lose 5/8 of an inch of cut between the Model 7 and the 8. So, you know, that kind of factored into not going with the 8. And not going with the 10, you know, I'm going to do this as a hobby, side business. So, you know, I'm not going to be using it all the time. So that's why I went with the 7. You know, maybe if you're going to do this full time and really want to cut big boards a lot, you know, the 10 inch might be better. Another reason was that the Model 7 uses the exact same engine as the dedicated slabber. And as I mentioned during the video, I did order a slabbing attachment. And I talked to 2 different people at Bailey's, and they both said that the Model 7 with the slabbing attachment would outperform the 8 and the 10 hands down when you're slabbing. It's just the speed of that motor and the way it works with the gearbox, it just does a much better job for slabbing, and that's why they use it with the dedicated slabber. So since I plan on doing a fair amount of slabbing, you know, that was another reason. You know, and I'll be moving all this stuff by myself probably 90% of the time. So the Model 7, you know, the carriage and motor are a little bit lighter in weight. So that's a small factor. I don't think it's huge, because I will admit, when you've moved that motor all the way to the other end and pick up the other end like a wheelbarrow, it is very easy to move around. I was surprised. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Hopefully this will help you if you're looking to buy a Lucas mill. But again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.